Pairing the Pro controllers with the Quest 2 is fairly simple. First, we need to power on our Quest 2 headset and grab our smartphone or tablet with the... I just threw up in my mouth a little again. So yeah, your phone will need to have the Quest app installed on it, and your phone and your headset will both need to be connected to your home network. If you don't already have your Bluetooth and location turned on when you launch the app, it will prompt you to turn them on. Once loaded into the app, we want to tap Menu here on the bottom right, then tap on Devices. We should now see our Quest 2, and here on the upper left it should say Connected. Now we're going to go down here and tap on Controllers, and then we're going to select Pair New Controller. You should see options here to pair Gamepad as well as Quest 2 left and right controllers and Quest Pro left and right controllers. Let's start with the right controller by tapping on Pair Quest Pro Right Controller. You'll then see this warning message asking if you want to unpair the previous controller. Tap on Continue, and now we'll be prompted to simultaneously hold down the Oculus and B buttons on the right controller for 4 seconds. You'll feel the controller vibrate, and the indicator light on the side of the controller will go back and forth between blue and white until the pairing process is complete. Once it's done, the app will tell you the controller has been paired and we can hit next. You'll then see this screen saying the pairing is complete. Tap on Close, and now we'll repeat this process for the left controller. Tap on Continue, hold down the menu and Y buttons for 4 seconds. The controller will vibrate, letting you know you can release the buttons. And just like with the right controller, the app will let us know it's paired. We can hit Next and then Close. Now that our controllers are paired up with our headset, we can jump into some games and see just how much better these marvels of technology are. Or if they were just a huge waste of money. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my review video, which you can watch right over here once I get the video finished.